Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you guys how to close tabs in Safari or your iPhone web browser. So yeah guys, so let's start today's video. So first thing, you're gonna open your any Safari in your iPhone which you have right now, and you can see this is my Safari right now, and at the very bottom right corner you can see this option. You're gonna tap on it and it will show the all tabs you can recently open, which you recently open in your well. And I want to delete all of them, so you can see there is a cross option on the tab corner top right screen. You're gonna tap on it and it will be deleted from your tab section, so you can see easily through this guide. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.